cooler nights on the way, are these chilies finally going to start to ripen up. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Saturday to you all. Saturday 22nd of August 2026. And it is day 188 of the chili grow up. It's about 22 degrees at the moment, a lovely sunny day. No wind at the moment, just a nice warm pleasant day. So I thought what we'll do today, we've had a lot more cooler temperatures in the evening, especially in the night time. It's been about 11-12 degrees on some of these nights, so hopefully this is going to start kickstart these plants into thinking, right, we need to start ripening up. So hopefully that's what's going to happen. So today I'm going to be having a little look through some of these chilies, some of the ones that I think are going to start ripening soon, and then hopefully my predictions will be correct. They will be nice and red or purple or black very, very soon. Also today we're going to be having a check through them, and then I'm also going to be plucking some dream catchers. I think some of these may be ready. We'll chop them open, have a little look and see what they're like cooked up with a steak. Other than that, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful weekend and a great Saturday. Me, Lucy and Ted have just been out and about. And my kid, eh? Went to a local bakery because the young lad there yesterday intentionally overcharged me. You know, there's no way you can put those numbers in a keypad to what it was supposed to be. Went and asked about it, and it was, say, very disappointing and dishonest, I should say, but there we go. When situations like that happen, you could blast them on social media and what have you, but it's just like, you know what, just take our business elsewhere. And I'm assuming if they carry on with that kind of practice, in no time it will be one of the usual high street stores that we have now taking over. So there we go, you reap what you sow, I suppose. Let's do this. Let's get into day 188. Happy Saturday, Lucy. Are you ready for your egg? There you go. So yeah, let's start with the ghost peppers. I'm really hoping these start to turn soon. I did pluck the one that had that little bit of blossom end rot, and to be honest, the guy that helps out with the garden said, oh, I'll just cut that bit out, can I eat it now? I said, well, it's not going to be the hottest, it's not in its full potential. Oh, I want to try it now. I was like, okay, there you go. So all of these are all looking okay. I'm not seeing any blossom end rot or sun scalding on them, but as you can see, none of these ghost peppers have turned red just yet. Hopefully soon. Of course, a big chunk of this video is going to be based on the Cayennes. They've been in this kind of state for quite a while now, as you know. Lovely green big chilies. I think they've grown to their fullest potential, but hopefully we get some changing. Let's have a look at our smaller plant. See so many there, but none are even starting to turn red yet. So again, hopefully when the weather changes up and it gets these cooler temperatures, I'm hoping we really start to see some of them changing, because we've got so many. As you can see, there's so many, but none of them yet are showing any signs that they're about to change. On the Cayennes, our Sugar Rush Peach Stripies. Now, as you know, these are Bacatums, which are notorious for taking their time to reach the end of their mature stage. But I think just here, look, we're starting to get a little bit of a peach colour, going from that green to a kind of yellow. You know, they're looking all right. There's this one as well. That one's probably turning the most. You know, they're looking all right. And I think with this colder temperature, we'll have some Sugar Rush Peach Stripies changing very quickly in no time. Okay, so here are our dream catchers. They're a bit small. There's our bee, look. So we do have the options from this plant and then the two others. I think these two others may have a little bit more. Yeah, some of these are quite small, as you can see. So I think we'll pluck a few from here, maybe up at the top. Let's chop them up, chop them open, have a little look, give them a little taste, and try them with the steak. Okay, some of these ones here, these little ones. Some dream catchers. Take a couple of black jalapeños too. See a lot of them are not ready just yet. There we go. Black jalapeños and dream catchers. There we go, the dream catchers. They're quite small chilies. They can probably get a little bit bigger, but I just wanted to give them a try, see how they are. That might be the size that they go. I haven't seen any bigger ones. They all seem to be around about this size. Quite small, ornamental I would say. So let's cut these open. Let's give them a little taste test. Let's try and chop them right down the middle there. There we go. In focus there. Looks lovely. Purple inside. Greenish white placenta and pith. Lots of seeds there. Let's try and get the other one. Not too much. We've got some seeds. There we go. Let's give this a little taste. Not too much spice. There's a little zing on there, but I didn't get much of the pith, placenta and seed, so I assume this one's where the spice is going to be. Let's give this a try. Oh yeah, that's nice and hot. Whew, that's lovely. That's got a nice kick, I'd say. It's building up a little bit now, so about just shy of jalapeno heat. A nice kick. It's making my nose run. Yeah, lovely. Let's chop these up with the bueno mulatas and with the black jalapenos, and we'll fry them up with some garlic, get them into a steak. But beautiful stuff. The little ornamental, quite hot, tasty dream catchers. Bit of raw meat, girl. Bit of steak, sir. So there we go, that wraps up day 188. Those dream catchers were absolutely delicious. Cannot recommend them enough. Really nice. Try and get a couple of bueno mulatas as well there. There we go. We'll add them in too. And that wraps up day 188. I want to thank you all for joining us. It means the world to Lucy, Ted and I. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe and all that jazz. And I'll be keeping this daily vlog going from seed to harvest. Thank you all so much once again. You take care of yourselves, alright? Make sure you look after me, myself and I. Because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a wonderful weekend. A great Saturday. And we'll see you tomorrow. See you Sunday for day 189. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.